Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to connect your YouTube account to Discord. So let's say you open Discord and then you go to settings and then you go to connections and then you want to add YouTube to your Discord. You go here, click on YouTube, and then this way you sign in. So apparently, mainly the main cause of it is people do not create a channel on the YouTube account. To do that, log into your own Gmail. After you log into your Gmail, go to YouTube, and then when you open your YouTube channel, you have to click on your icon. Then you have to click on create a channel. Once you create your channel, then you go back to Discord, then try to reconnect again. This will solve your issue, and then you can successfully link your YouTube account to your Discord.